Go one divide them. This one is River State. This one is Southeast State. And this one is East Central State. That's how all of them turn away from Biafra. This is how so-called this South-South or Southeast claiming that they are Niger Delta. This is how they deceived themselves during the first war, Biafran war. Sarawiwa and the co, Real Longsin, Margaret Ekpa, Takeover, they abandoned Biafra and joined Nigeria. At the end of the war, what happened? Are they not still where they are? Any progress in them? Now, this is how they deny the one that are Igbos, deny they are not Igbos. And claim their brother's property. All over Federation of Nigeria after the war. It's only in this called Niger Delta, Southsouth that they have abandoned property. Even the only abandoned property that Lagos State is claiming, Queen's Drive, Louis Ojukwu. Ojukwu came back from Africa 1982 and take it back. It's only rivers and other buyers and other areas you hear abandoned property. They have come again. Since they could ask what is the end of Sarawiwa, they could ask what is the end of Takeover. What of Margaret Ekpa? Where is his family, her family now? What do they achieve in one Nigeria? They have started doing that mistake again. Nnamdikanu, someone Ekpa, what is the difference? If someone Ekpa get the Biafra, is it not good for us to go? If someone Ekpa get the Biafra, is it not good for us to go? Even if as Dukubo will come tomorrow and get the Biafra, I will go. He says Dukubo, if you can have support tomorrow, is the one that get the Biafra, let us go. I'm telling you honestly, to show you how I regard any person who will get the Biafra for us. Now, Nnamdikanu is a legitimate leader or agitator. Niger Delta, Southsouth, when Nnamdikanu was outside, do you people agree with him? Do you people accept him? Do you people work hand in hand with him? Niger Delta are following the trend of Ohanes and Igbo. They are following the trend of Igbo politicians, Southeast politicians. South, Niger Delta. The pollution in Ogoni land, is it Biafra that polluted it? Is it Nnamdikanu or someone that polluted it? Is it not the same in Nigeria? Now, Nigeria have recognized Nnamdikanu, that is the only agitator they know, is the only this they know, because it's in that net. If Nnamdikanu come out now, the same Niger Delta will say we don't agree. The same Niger Delta will say we don't agree. Now, what is different between Nnamdikanu and the Simon Ekpa? Is it not the same cause? That the Simon Ekpa is following the same cause Nnamdikanu led down. It's not the foundation of Nnamdikanu that Simon Ekpa is building upon. Now, look at it. Simon Ekpa never said he is the overall leader of IPOB, whether IPOB autopilot, whether IPOB one family. He always refer himself as Nnamdikanu disciple. When somebody say he was Nnamdikanu disciple, is he not submissive unto Nnamdikanu? Whosoever believe in Simon Ekpa is Nnamdikanu disciple. Because Simon Ekpa said, on the process, if Nnamdikanu come out, he will hand everything over to Nnamdikanu. He's not coming to rub shoulder. But one thing he will not agree is somebody to come out from anywhere say, Nnamdikanu said, when Nnamdikanu is invitation, Nnamdikanu will come out, be free, and talk to him. Not somebody come out from write any letter, say Nnamdikanu said. Go use AI, artificial intelligence, and program anything, bring it out, air it, and say Nnamdikanu say. that he will not agree that one. Let them believe in Nnamdikanu. They let Nnamdikanu talk to him face to face. He will hand everything over to Nnamdikanu. Then why wouldn't you follow him? You say you are waiting for Nnamdikanu to come out from detention. Why can't you wait to Ojukwu to rise up from grave and start leading Biafra again? Okay, Niger Delta should wait until Ojukwu rise up from grave. Southsouth should wait until Ojukwu rise up from grave. Igbo leaders, Ohanese and Igbo, Igbo politicians should wait until Ojukwu rise up from grave before they will agree in one Biafra. If someone Ekpa drop and did not continue shouting for Biafra, do you think that Biafra will reach where we are? Both Nnamdikanu and Biafra issue could have been buried. If not to someone Ekpa, with the Biafra government in exile. Biafra issue, Nnamdikanu could have been buried and forgotten. He said, I did not believe in Simon Ekpa. I did not agree with Simon Ekpa. Do Simon Ekpa forcing you to agree with him? Why will you believe in Simon Ekpa? Is he God? Simon Ekpa is doing the assignment he was brought into this world to do. In the absence of Nnamdikanu. Then where Niger Delta or whosoever, Southsouth or those Iberibe people in Igbo land said they believe in Nnamdikanu, now he's in prison. If Nnamdikanu come out and the Simon Ekpa begin to rub shoulder with him, now you say, is it so? That's so? Then you can support Nnamdikanu and please shop Simon Ekpa. But not now. All of us are looking the way to restore Biafra. But let me tell Niger Delta, Southsouth, or whosoever, waiting for Nnamdikanu to come out before restoration. Nnamdikanu will not come out until Biafra is restored. Nnamdikanu will not come out until Biafra is restored. It was restoration of Biafra will bring Nnamdikanu out. And if Nnamdikanu will come out before restoration of Biafra, without the Simon Ekpa activities, Nnamdikanu will not come out. Without the Simon Ekpa activity, Biafra government in exile activity, Nnamdikanu will not come out. So those who are waiting when Nnamdikanu will come out before they will accept the Biafra restoration or before they count themselves to be Biafra or whatever they would like to be, which means Biafra will not get hurt if they are waiting for Nnamdikanu to come out before they will agree. It's just waiting. Jesus Christ have come and died. You are just waiting that when he come again before you believe in him. Christ have come and died on cross of earth to save us. I said we should believe in him. We have our salvation in him. Then you say no until when he come again the second time before you believe in him. That time you are making a very big mistake. You are marching to hellfire. That's just like what these people are doing. You are waiting when Nnamdikanu will come out before you agree. If you don't want to be Biafra, and you don't believe in Biafra, and you are not Biafra. If you don't join in this struggle now, you say when Nnamdikanu come out, that everyone will be milk and honey. That time you will believe, because that time you have become milk and honey. No more killing, no more shouting, no more checkpoints. That time you believe in Biafra. When others have labored to finish, you believe in Biafra. Nnamdikanu is coming out his final stage. Nnamdikanu coming out in the final stage of Biafra restoration. In the final stage, Biafra flag have already rise up among the Committee of Nations. So they should stop deceiving themselves. You don't believe in Simon Ekpa, you believe in Nnamdikanu. Don't believe in Simon Ekpa, believe in Nnamdikanu. If another person come out now, as a Ngozi Arabeze is speaking now, and the man will declare Biafra restoration on this November 29. You know, it wasn't Simon Ekpa. When people like that rise up now and start watching struggle again, you say, no, I don't believe in them. I believe in Simon Ekpa. Let him go be release Simon Ekpa. It's whom I believe on him. Look at them. Look at how wise they are. Let them wait until Ojukwu come up from grave and restore Biafra before they believe in Biafra. They should go and relax. Ojukwu come up from grave and restore Biafra before they believe.
But this thing they are making a very big mistake.
It's a very big mistake. They are mocking themselves. They are laughing themselves. Eh? This is what they did. That made them did not come out openly with the full heart to fight with the Biafra against the common enemies. They want to divide them. This one is River State. This one is Southeast state. And this one is East Central state. That's how all of them turn away from Biafra. The same real Lawson who sang Oh Biafra, the land of freedom. Oh Biafra, the land of freedom. The same real Lawson turned and went back to Nigeria. Kesarowiwa, who sang side by side with Ojukwu, turned and went to Nigeria. Margaret Thatcher, whose signature was in Biafra Declaration, turned to Nigeria. Even Igbo people themselves, Zik and Co, turned to Nigeria. Now we are all of them, both from South-South, South-East, Niger Delta, that stand against Biafra in the time of Ojukwu. Where are they? Where are the generation? What do they achieve in one Nigeria? So will it be these people? They don't want to learn from past mistakes of the others. They want to do the same mistake and learn. Remember, those who did that mistake did not learn until they die. And you want to do the same mistake, as after your mistake you will learn. You don't learn anything until you die. You are fooling yourself now. You better stand firmly with whosoever that is available to bring the Biafra. Nnamdikanu is in detention. They cannot be in detention and be running up and down. Let the people that are running up and down, support them to run up and down and get Biafra. You'll be free. Nnamdikanu will be free.
They are not, excuse me, I have told you people before, Emma Powerful is no longer part of us. Emma,
is the spokesman for the IPOP?
I say it's no longer part of us.
I say it doesn't talk for you, it doesn't represent the IPOP.
Excuse me, listen to what I'm saying. Speak the truth and ready to end by the truth because I love the truth. As the word of God stated it. Now listen and listen carefully. Mr. Governor Soludo, yes, I love the step you are taking. Thank God for you realizing your mistakes. Thank God for you coming out in this form to make peace. It's one of the biggest steps of peace. And that is what I've been expecting from you. And that is how it's supposed to be. But there is another step I will love you to take. Because you are now pleading for the Brgie. That is in person of Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the Chief of Staff. And the BLA, that is the Biafran Liberation Army. I believe that. If I'm mistaken, you can correct it. Now listen and listen good. You are pleading with them now that there should be peace so that the Southeast will have their peace. That should suspend sit at home. But there is something that you are missing. And that thing you are missing is the primary thing. And that is the number one solution of what you are pleading for. And that thing is this: free nnamdikanu. Mr. Governor Soludo, take a bold step. Tell Tinubu and Nigeria to free nnamdikanu, our leader, in their custody. Because he's a man who did not offend anybody nor commit any crime. Why are you people still holding him? Why are you people still keeping him there? Free nnamdikanu, that is just the solution. If you free nnamdikanu now, nnamdikanu know those politicians that are behind what is happening in the Southeast. Because Soludo, even you yourself, you are a governor. You should equally meet your co-governors like Mba and Uzodingba. You can meet with them and talk to them, advise them, give them an elderly statesman advice so that they should stop the atrocities they are carrying out in their various states. And which, after carrying it out, they will come and lay the allegation upon the IPOP. Are you getting it? You are seeing Soludo. I want you to listen to what I'm saying, whether it makes sense or not. But listen, in the atom of nonsense, there is always a sense in it. Look into this matter. These people gave you their vote. They put you there for a reason, for a purpose. Do not be a betrayer. They put you there because they believe in you, they trust in you, they have confidence in you that you will stand to fight for us. Now you are joining them to go against us. I bet you, if both of them remove hand now, and Emba remove hand now, you will see peace in the Southeast. because they are the brain behind it. They are the one paying money for all those hoodlums. Yes, they are the one paying money, giving those hoodlums money to come and carry out all those evil in the southeast, all those killings in the southeast. But it is very, very unfortunate that in the southeast we have some set of cannibals or cannibals, they call their name, in the southeast, coming from the southeast. Look at the southwest. How many times, despite what happened in Ondo, how many times before the late governor of Ondo, the former governor of Ondo, late Akeredolu, how many times did he invite Nigerian military to come and begin to shoot people in Ondo or in Lagos here or in Osun State? No, let us ask. How many times in the north that governors use their hand invite the criminal, the northerners, except the Fulanis? Are you getting it? Except the Fulanis, because those Fulanis are the Boko Haram. Those Fulanis are the herdsmen that are terrorizing all over Nigeria, not just in the north alone. They are terrorizing both the west, they are terrorizing both the north, and they are terrorizing both the south and the east. All the parts of Nigeria, they are the one terrorizing. We all know. But how come that in the southeast, that the governor of the southeast is now declaring his own state, which is supposed to protect, declaring it as a place of zone of death, bringing the Fulanis, which you know vividly well that they hate the Easterners and they love killing, they love shedding blood, to come and be killing their brother, the people that you're supposed to protect. You see, so Soludo, with the step which you have taken, I love it. Move it more, but push it in the right source and in the right way, and God will help you. Thank you.
God will help you.
God will help you.
But just like you said, do you think that if this step is truly taken, do you think that the BRG government will want to clamp down, and allow people in the southeast go to their various places of work on Monday?
Yes, if the need is taken, if Soludo is taking this step from all his heart, like I said before, there are things you don't need to disturb yourself much. You get it? There are things you don't need to disturb yourself much. You just need to do the needful. You get it? And what is that needful? Tell Mr. Tinubu to free our leader, Nnamdikanu. You will see Nnamdikanu. He has the key. He has the word. He has the wisdom. He has the knowledge. He knows what to say. And everybody will reason with him, and everywhere will calm down. He knows what to say. It's a gift that God blessed him with. Are you getting it? So let Kanu be released. Our leader, let him be released. Let him be free.
So what you're saying is that if Kanu comes out,
and even
though the BRG government doesn't declare or end sit at home, that even with the coming out of Nnamdikanu alone, we stop it automatically.
Automatically, it's automatical solution, because once Nnamdi comes out, the BRED, AEG in EZA or whatsoever they are boys of Nnamdikanu. They are what? Royal. They are royal. That is what I mean. I'm not saying that they are children. No. What I mean is that they are loyal to Nnamdikanu.
But we've seen the IPOB counter that and say that Nnamdikanu is not affiliated.
Excuse me,
with...
I have told you people before. Emma Powerful is no longer part of us.
It is spokesman for the IPOB.
I said it's no longer part of us.
I say it doesn't talk for you, it doesn't represent the IPOB.
Excuse me, listen to what I'm saying. Emma Powerful is no longer part of us. He was with us before. He now craft out his own group from the IPOB and start collecting ransom, collecting salary from Nigerian government. in order to encounter us that stand on the truth. And that is why a person like nnamdikanu did not collect any offer from Nigeria. Despite all the offer they offer him. Somebody like Simon Ekpa refused to collect anything from Nigeria as an offer to drop this. But he, Ima Powerful, and his group have collected their own. But they are now dancing the dance of shame because that thing that they think that is not going to be possible has become possible. You get it? So it's out of envy, out of regret. Simon Ekpa, I say Simon Ekpa, Ima Powerful is speaking out of what? Regret. And I know. Because he never believed that this thing will come to this extent. And the respect which he have lost, the dignity that he have lost, is what is regretting. That's why he's busy condemning the good things that God have used Simon Ekpa in the absence or in the kidnapping time period of our leader nnamdikanu. God now used Simon Ekpa to achieve this great news and great thing for we the Biafrans, which him is more powerful. In time to come, he will stand to benefit from, even his children to come. Because these people are not fighting for themselves as he himself did. They fight for everybody, even our children unborn. And God will bless Simon Ekpa and nnamdikanu and those that are still loyal to them.
But we've seen that the Southsouth, they've lost over 24 trillion in 2 years, of this sit at home. Do you think that
They have done what?
they've lost over 24 trillion in 2 years, as regards of this sit at home and so many stuff going there going on in the Southeast? Do you think that if there was no sit at home, at least do you not think that ending the sit at home will now at least we bring that development that the Southeast currently are craving for?
Let me tell you, there is no amount of money the Southeast will lose now and sit at home to compare what they have already lost in 1967 in the Civil War. I don't think there is any loss again to compare what they have already lost in the time past. Nigeria, this country called Nigeria, have caused us a lot of pains. Are you getting it? So it is time for us to go in order for us to have our own and our place being fixed. And
what is the forgiveness there? All those gospel apology, is that what we are going to forgive? Let him publish the report of Aburi. Then publish the committee report of 17 January 1967 coup. Simple. I'm not coming from behind to say you saved Obasanjo from being killed. These are the people who claim they are pioneers of modern Nigeria that has failed, that has collapsed. So of what credit would we be given to them? Having put Nigeria in a total mess just because of what you are going to gain, instead of showing nationalistic patriotism. You created an atmosphere of bigotry. You created an atmosphere of injustice. You created an atmosphere of marginalization. And you are talking as if you don't know the reality on ground. Who brought Boko Haram? Who brought Fulani herdsmen? Government, of course, should be held responsible. Let him come and explain to Nigeria how come the Northerners, the Hausas, are dying in their numbers and nobody is doing anything about it. Is it because Nigeria is a banana republic where nothing matters to them? Where life has been thrown to the gutters? Where life turned to waters at the expense of the so-called unity people who are advocating for unity? And the question that a lot of people are asking Nigeria, even the middle belt is asking Gowon, is where is the reason that you went to fight? The people you fought has taken over Nigeria. What is the extent? Then the people that you were fighting on behalf are busy killing your own people. See, have you seen Gowon come out one day or the other day to make a significant statement that we are being killed, or even caution or rebuke the killing of Middle Beltans as a result of the Fulani conquest agenda that is already killing the people at the end of the day. I don't think one say anything like that. But every flattest move taken by the Igbo Biafra restoration agenda, you see him going to one corner, making some funny statement. Well, unfortunately, this present Igbo generation has gone beyond their people go on. Far. And he cannot be able to question the rationality why the thing has come to a point of where it is currently now. Because, my brother, they said necessity is the mother of invention. I think to an extent, extremely, the Igbos have endured enough from Nigeria. They have suffered from Nigeria. They are the most bruised. They are the most marginalized. They are the most threatened. You can see here Yoruba phobia or Hausa phobia. Have you heard it before? Or you can hear Igbo phobia. What makes you think that the Igbo nation will continue to stay in an environment that is polluted and corrupted as Nigeria? It's not possible. The world must understand this. In our homes, we have been murdered on a daily basis. The world is not saying anything. I have not seen Gowon come out one day to condemn the killing in the eastern part of the country. But at every slightest move, the Igbo nation is seeking for solidarity, for justice, calling the world attention, seeking understanding with the ICC. You will see Gowon stand up, either in one way or the other. You will begin to question the rationale. Bros, how did Obasanjo know that you wrote to Abacha, begging Abacha not to kill Obasanjo?
Obasanjo said it wasn't.
Bros, it's a lie. Bros, all this thing is a lie. Bring the evidence. Why didn't you make it public? Why didn't you tell Obasanjo that you have already written to Abacha?
For years.
We didn't hear anything. That was how they destroyed the document they signed in Aburi. And I'm telling you what these people are actually up to. Up to today, the media is still questioning to produce replica documents of what you signed in Aburi. You're going to tell us, Abacha with Akida, now you go to pray, now you go write later. You tell, Obasanjo told him, are you sure it's what you did?